Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about final variable, final method and final class in Java. Okay, I request you to okay go through all the videos from the beginning. Okay, you can become a good programmer. Fine. So final variable, final method and final class. So I'm jumping to my this Eclipse. And normally, how do we declare the variable? I say 10. Okay, and I just say print. Okay, the value of right a, and then I come here. The value of a I am trying to change to this. All right. So I'll come here and I'll write down here and I try to run this application. No problem. 10 11 come. Now suppose if I come here and I say final. Okay, now when I say final, immediately it is started giving me error message. So what is the meaning of it? Okay, I'm just going here. Okay, I'll write down here so that you should be very much clear about this thing. Fine. So, okay, if we declare a variable as final in Java, we are not allowed to make changes to the variable. Okay, if we declare a variable as final in Java, we are not allowed to make changes to the variables value. Okay, rather we can say variables value. Okay, you have observed in the code when I am doing it live coding. Okay, it is happening like this. Fine. Now what I'll do here, I'll come here and I say class 1. Okay, and then I'll come here, I say class 2. Okay, which is extending class 1. Okay, fine. So I can say here that I have two classes, class 1 and class 2, and class 2 is subclass to class 1. Now I'm having a function here. Okay, let us say public and void welcome. Alright, and fine. Now I'll try to print here some messages. Okay, I'll come here and I say this and I just print here. Okay, welcome method of class 1. Fine. And now I'm just deleting this because we have already discussed about this thing. Fine. Now we'll try to make object of class 2. Fine. I say m and I say new class 2 and I say m dot. Okay, what is the welcome? Fine, no problem, and we'll try to run this. Okay, fine, everything working fine. Now I'll come here and I'll write down here the same function. Okay, now I say class 2. Fine, so I'm trying to override basically. Now let's say we'll try to run it again. Okay, class 2 is coming. Now I'll go here and I say public, I say final. Okay, now see this. As soon as I declare the function as final, okay, some message started coming here, error time. Okay, what does it say? Cannot override. So now again I'll go back here. Okay, now what is the meaning of this? Okay, now if we declare a function as final, then we are not allowed to override this function in child class. I think very much clear. Fine, you have seen that. Okay, when the final keyword was not there, we are able to override this and we can write. But now as soon as I declare the function as final in base class, it is not allowing. So I'm just deleting it here. Okay, now everything will work fine. But now I'll come here and I say here final. Okay, now when I declare the function as the class as final, okay, some error message is coming. So what is the meaning of it? Okay, again I am going here, fine. And now, what is the meaning of this? So what? Okay, if we declare a class as final class, then no other class can inherit from this class. Fine. So again, I'll repeat from the very beginning. If we declare a variable as final in Java, we are not allowed to make changes to the variable's value. Second, if we declare a function as final, then we are not allowed to override this function in child class. And the last, if we declare a class as final class, then no other class can inherit from this class. Okay, I hope that is very, very much clear. I have only one request. Okay, whenever you are seeing my series for any technology, okay, please see from the beginning, because I am making videos in a very systematic way. I can assure you, if you see my videos and practice accordingly, you can become a good developer. Thank you for watching it. Very soon we'll be meeting.